Gulf Coast weather, certified most accurate.
Back here on the Gulf Coast, we're feeling the heat.
Most certainly. It is that time of the year where we can't escape it. The only way we can escape it is a little bit of rain, but we're not really tracking rain for our Wednesday evening. Over the next few days, we're going to continue to see that humidity. That's going to continue to be in place, and it's going to feel like the triple digits here across the Gulf Coast. High temperatures into the low to mid 90s each day, and throwing a little bit of humidity, it is going to feel downright hot here across the Gulf Coast. So just a couple safety items. If you're going to be working outdoors, make sure you have plenty of water. Make sure you're taking a lot of breaks as well. And if you can, wear some light colored clothing just to reflect that sun. What's responsible for that? It's going to be an area of high pressure that is basically going to set up shop right over the state. What that is going to do is that's going to bring in some drier air down to the surface, and that is going to basically keep our rain chances average. We're not going to see any rain chances that are beyond 60% over the next few days. And quite honestly, it's going to keep our rain chances somewhat, I would say, maybe relatively dry, especially compared to the month of June. High temperatures are going to continue to be above average. Our average high this time of the year, 91 degrees. We're going to continue to see highs into the lower to mid 90s. And look, as we get toward the ending of our weekend and the beginning of next week, look at that Monday, a high temperature of 95 degrees. You're throwing a little bit of humidity. Those feels like temperatures are going to be very, very uncomfortable indeed. Look at that Sunday, a feels like temperature of 107 degrees. And over the next few days, we're not going to really see large amounts of rain to help cool us off. We bump up our rain chances once we get to our Friday, about a 40% chance of rain on our Friday, and that lasts as we go through the weekend. But we're going to continue to see very mild conditions. Our wake-up temperatures are going to be into the upper 70s, and each day we're going to see rain chances anywhere from 30 to 40% and highs into the middle 90s. So it's going to continue to be very warm. So what we can expect for the remainder of our Wednesday, most of those winds are going to encourage anything that we do see develop near Lake Okeechobee. For our Thursday, kind of the same setup. We're going to see those winds out of the south. We may see a few opportunities for an isolated shower or storm here or there, but most of the activity is going to move toward the central part of the state. We're going to see here places like Hendry County get into the rain. It's not until we get to Friday that we see a little bit of a change up in our forecast, and that does bring some of the rain a little closer to the Gulf Coast metro. So once we get to our Friday evening, seeing the opportunity for maybe the potential for some widespread showers and storms. We'll see how this plays out as we get closer to our Friday. But over the next few days, mostly dry. It's not until we get to our Friday that's going to see a little bit more of a turn when it comes to moisture. So the rain potential over the next 7 days, noticing the bulk of the moisture is going to be east of I-75. Coastal sections, mostly dry, but that doesn't mean that we won't get into any rain. And most of the heaviest of the rain is just south of Lake Okeechobee. So over the next few hours, we're going to keep rain chances in play. About 10% chance of rain. High temperatures beginning to peak right now, and we'll slowly cool things off to right around 90 degrees at around the 7 o'clock hour. Lows aren't going to really cool off that much with a lot of moisture around and the mugginess around. Our lows are basically going to be settling into the upper 70s. A quick look at the tropics. We are still tracking Tropical Storm Arthur. It is formed as of the 11 o'clock advisory. We're now looking at the 2 p.m. advisory, moving toward the northeast at 9 miles per hour. Winds now sustained at 45 miles per hour. And we're going to continue to see this move off toward the northeast. The main impacts when it comes to this system are going to be the heavy rains and flooding. Regardless of classification, I know we were tracking a potential tropical cyclone just a few days ago, but right now we are tracking Tropical Storm Arthur. Regardless of that, we are still going to see very heavy rains across the northern sections of the Gulf Coast. Make sure that you are aware of the weather, especially if you're going to be heading to that section.